In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zaya in Zoho CRM for an efficient and seamless customer relationship management experience. Let's explore this AI-driven feature that can help you automate and enhance various processes within Zoho CRM. If you're new to Zoho CRM or just looking to make the most out of Zia, you're in the right place. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the home page of Zoho CRM. This is where your journey with Zia begins. Make sure you're logged in, and once you're on the home page, you'll notice a variety of options available for you to manage your CRM effectively. Zoho CRM is designed to be user-friendly, with an interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned professionals. The home page acts as your control center, giving you access to all the modules you need to manage customer relationships. Now, once you're settled on the home page, direct your attention to Zia, Zoho's powerful AI assistant. Located conveniently on the dashboard, clicking on Zia will open up a new world of possibilities. Think of Zia as your personal CRM assistant, ready to help streamline tasks, gather insights, and analyze data faster than you could manually. Clicking on Zia will bring up a prompt that will allow you to interact with this smart assistant. To engage with Zia, simply type a prompt or ask for specific help. This could be anything from querying how your sales metrics are looking, requesting a forecast for your next quarter, or even asking for tips on how to best manage new leads. The interface is intuitive, designed to cater to what you need most. Think of it as having a conversation, giving you the flexibility to phrase your questions in a way that makes sense to you. Once you've submitted your query, it's time to wait for Zia's response. Zia processes your prompt swiftly, providing you with detailed, insightful answers. The response time is generally quick, but this can vary slightly depending on the complexity of your request and the amount of data being processed. Be patient and remember that any information Zia provides can bring substantial value to your CRM strategies. Upon receiving the response from Zia, you'll notice an option to select all the data provided. You can do this by simply clicking Select All and then copying the text. This step is crucial if you wish to export the data, share it with your team, or include it in reports and presentations. Copying this information allows for greater flexibility in how you utilize the insights you've gained. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to leverage Zia in Zoho CRM. With these steps, you'll be optimizing your customer relationship management through the power of AI, making your work quicker, easier, and more effective. Whether you're looking to automate mundane tasks or extract meaningful insights from your data, Zia is your go-to tool within Zoho CRM. Happy managing!